In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make awesome character props with Canva. We'll start right from a blank canvas and build playful, print-ready props you can use for parties, classrooms, photo booths, or cosplay. I'll show you 2 simple approaches inside Canva, along with practical tips to help your designs look polished and professional. Begin by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Choose a size that suits printing. A standard letter page works well, so pick something like a 4 or 8.5 by 11 inches. If you need a specific poster or hand-held prop size, set custom dimensions so everything prints at the right scale. A portrait orientation is great for tall props, while landscape works for wide ones. Pick what best fits your design. For method A, use Canva's Built. In Character Builder, click Apps in the side panel. Search for Character Builder and open it. You'll see options for heads, bodies, and hairstyles. Click to mix and match, then customize features like hair color, skin tone, and facial expressions. Try combining different head shapes with varied hairstyles to create unique personalities. You can fine-tune proportions by dragging corners to resize and rotating slightly to add energy. If something looks off, swap parts until the pose and style feel right. For method B, build props from elements. Click Elements and use the search bar to find themed graphics like wizard hat or superhero mask. Choose styles that match flat or illustrated for a cohesive look. Drop them onto your page, then position and scale them to the size you want for printing. You can duplicate elements for variations and mirror them to balance your layout. Next, refine your design with color, size, and layering. Use Canva's color picker to adjust hues so your pieces coordinate. Increase contrast between the character and accessories, so details pop on paper. Resize elements proportionally by holding a corner handle and rotate slightly to create dynamic poses. Arrange elements front to back so hats sit above heads and masks align properly. Group related parts once you are happy, which helps keep everything tidy as you move or scale the prop. When you are ready to print, click Share. Then Download. For high quality, choose PNG or PDF print. PDF print is ideal for sending to a professional printer, while PNG is great if you need a digital file. If you have Canva Pro and plan to place your prop over other backgrounds, check transparent background before downloading, so only the design prints without a white box. That's it. Thanks for watching.